I could not put up in a hotel because the boarding and lodging charges were exorbitant. Or number 4, no error. Pak na choice po natin dito is number 1. The error right there is in the use of the preposition in. No? So, imbis na in, dapat po at ang ating ginamit. Okay? So, ayan po. At the hotel should be used when talking about a hotel as a location. You can use it talking about being there rather than explicitly being inside. No? So, kasi yung pinakabuod or thought po ng ating pangungusap dito, hindi ko kaya, parang sinasabi niya in Filipino, no? Hindi ko kayang magstay. I cannot stay. I could not put up. I could not afford a stay at a hotel because it's too expensive. So, kapag ginamit ko naman po yung in meaning nasa loob ka ng hotel. No? So, this should be used when talking about the hotel building. No? Kunwari, kayo po ay nag-uusap dito sa labas ng hotel at umulan. Let's go in the hotel. No? Let's go in the hotel because it is raining. Okay? So, ayun, kapag sinabi mong in, you are really talking about the structure, no? The building. You are inside. No? You go inside in the hotel.